So I'm going to share my screen. Okay. So I just logged into remax.net with my login. And I'm at the main page right now. We are going to start with going to my account. So I cleared everything off my account. So I'm going to do this step by step with you guys from the beginning. So when you go to my account, you're going to see that like it has your office that you're associated with and the information that was plugged in for you. So we are going to start here at edit my contact information. And what's really great about this is it goes right in order. You guys won't have all this office stuff. Yes.
Where's my account at? Because I don't see it.
When you logged into Mac Center and you go to your apps, one of them should
So you
say
go to
my
apps. Okay. So you go to apps first. Okay, then my account. Got it. Okay, thank you.
No problem. So I'm going to edit my contact information. So what I was saying was this office piece you guys aren't going to see. This is going to be the piece that as agents you're going to be viewing. And you're just going to edit. So here's my name, my birthday, I'm a female, the day I joined Remax. And you can edit everything just by clicking on these. So my name's correct. There's nothing for me to change. So your ISP email is where Remax is going to be sending you everything. Any leads you get, any communication they're going to have with you. This is the one that they're going to be using. And then here is the email address that Remax has given you. I have changed it because I do communicate with everything through my stlgoldhomes. You cannot edit this one. This is the only one. So if you have a different one, if you use your Yahoo or your Gmail account or your stlgoldhomes, you'll want to put it in here, your main point of communication.
Remax is a forwarding email only.
Yes, thank you. So for websites, you can have more than one. Because I'm not an agent, I'm not going to add an agent, but I'm going to add the office website. One second, guys. I need to let people in. Okay, so I'm going to add the office website. All I have to do is type it in. I'm going to set this as my primary because like I said, I'm not going to have an agent one. If you want to add more than one, you do the first one. I don't know what just happened there. Okay. And hit save. So it came up as the office website. And then you could add another one. So if you had an agent, if you wanted two or more than one, you could put them on here and then just make sure that you mark which one you want as primary. The next is going to be the phone number. So they automatically put in here our office phone number. You can add your DID or your mobile. And I'm going to set that one as my primary instead of the office. And I'm going to hit save. You can add a fax number, same way. A direct fax or an alternate fax, because you can have, once again, more than one. And then as I was hitting save, on each one, it automatically saves. So there's no save on this page you're gonna have to do. The next thing is gonna be your photo, and I just so happen to save mine on the desktop. And then click save. And we're gonna have to change that, but you can replace it. You can download your original and go to personal details. So this is really important for the personal bio. The reason this is important is this bio goes to multiple places. One, it'll be on your website, our company website where our agents are listed. They'll be able to see this as well. But lastly, RE/MAX referral, the international, both of them. They show your bio. So if this isn't filled out, it's just your picture and a phone number and email address. So if you can put your bio, then agents can read about you. It just is cleaner. It gives more information, more likely to have those referrals. So I did create a quick bio. See. You can add your activities if you want. You could add your hobbies. They have things on here for you to choose from. And then your languages. So it's automatically set as English. You can add as many other languages that you speak or know. Again, this is going to show up on your RE/MAX profile. So if you speak Spanish or any other language, you're going to want to make sure that this is on here, because as agents are looking for someone, they could be looking for someone that speaks Spanish, or, you know, I do sign language. Those are important factors that they're going to want to see. And you're going to want to add, say hello to Jose.
Hello, guys.
Hey, and the thing, Chris, and I was gonna,
Yes.
the civic activities and your hobbies, anybody have any idea why they have that on there?
Okay.
Anybody?
To make it more real.
Yeah. It's just each and every one of those things, and we talked about this, Joe, the other day, when you're doing your biography and they're prompting you here, they're giving you reasons, they're easy prompts and tasks to do here. The whole idea of a biography is that you want somebody to like you, somebody to relate to you, somebody to believe in you, somebody to trust you. So many people think about biographies as, I don't need to do that. Just give me a generic one. Well, that is going to be how people see you. You're just a generic one. So I know that we're not on this topic to talk about biographies and why you do it, but this also proves the point of RE/MAX is showing you need to show why you are who you are so that people like you, believe in you, trust you, relate to you, so that they want to do business with you. That's the idea of the biography. So for all those that say, just give me the generic one, and we have a lot of you, don't do that. You want to stand out. Whatever you do before you start 2022, get in touch with your biography, because it's the one thing that makes you stand out, and it's a marketing piece. It's a marketing piece. It's your sales piece on yourself. So when everybody's switching over doing this with the biographies on here, touch yourself up on your biography, because it'll be worth your while. I just read through yours, Joe. You did a great biography on trying to think of some other people that have done biographies. Sean did a nice biography. Kylie's done a nice biography. It's just they're really a nice thing to do once you have them, because you can put them anywhere and everywhere. And I think we just lost our host. Here she is.
Sorry, guys. Okay.
I ran out of filler on that.
Thanks. Okay, so when you're done here, you're just going to click on the profile word. And it's going to show you the changes. I have all of our locations because of me being an administrator on here. But you're also going to see down here where I have the phone numbers, those email addresses, our website is showing up. My bio came in and my language. I didn't put anything regarding my activities or my hobbies in there. So they're missing from right here as well. So you might want to.
And Neil did, I was just thinking of people's biographies. Neil did
Neil did a
nice
great
biography
one.
too. Yeah.
Perfect. So this is the piece that we're gonna want to get to in here. The next thing I'm gonna go to is Megaphone. So I'm gonna go back to the Mac Center where our apps are. And I'm gonna go to Megaphone. So the important piece on Megaphone is the social media. And we were just informed that whenever you have a new listing, that new listing packet that comes out here that has your templates and your flyers, they now will send your new listings for 1 week on Facebook. They will advertise for you and they will automatically do it. However, you must have your Facebook connected. If you connect your Facebook after listings went live, we've lost that week. So I wanted to walk through doing this all with you. So up here, I don't know if you guys can see it up on my menu bar. I had already logged into my Facebook and had it on the back piece. They said it makes it just a little bit easier for Megaphone to connect if you're already logged in on that computer. So I'm logged in already. I'm going to connect my Facebook. It's going to ask for my password. It's going to ask if, you know, Megaphone can connect. They are not going to be posting without your permission. And then it wants to know if you have any other pages that want to connect to this. So I want to put our STL Gold Homes because I'm an admin. I do work on behalf of that STL Gold Homes page. I want to link both since I'm administrator. And then it's going to ask, do you want to receive email here, a list of pages you manage? So I'm going to say yes to everything because I've already looked through these and made sure we were good. And there's my Facebook page. I do not have Twitter or LinkedIn. We do have a company Twitter account. I cannot connect that because I'm not an admin. So if you guys have a business Twitter, LinkedIn page instead of a personal, you just need to make sure that you're listed as the admin and it'll allow you to connect those two. Your listing automations here. This says remax.com/your listing. This is where it's going to pull from your name. They call it your listing, but it's your name. So any listings that are going to go out, it's all going to come through yours. The difference is you can change to have a custom. So if you have somewhere else that you already have built or used, and you want that used instead, like we have a KV Core page. We are not using that on our Remax page, but I could customize it and put that URL in there, but I don't want to. We want to keep it. And I really suggest, I think that everybody leaves it there. I just wanted to show you that that's what's out here. So when you guys go, your web ad wallet. So this is if you are going to use Facebook longer. When that Facebook link goes out for your social media, it's going to show how many times it's been clicked, posted, shared, all of that. But at the end of the week, there's going to be a place where you can run it another week, but you'll need your credit card in here already to do that. Or you can create an ad from here, which we will go over when we go over the Megaphone training in a couple weeks. Just while we're doing all of our settings and everything to set up, I just want to go through these. Your notifications, make sure I got in here and none of mine were checked. So I'm not going to have a new listing because I'm not an agent. However, it is important for you guys that when you have that new listing, that you guys are notified when that new listing packet's ready, your open house packet's ready. anything that they're doing in here, that you're getting notified. So make sure those emails are checked, and it'll go to that ISP email address that you put in there. So like mine was the KristenK@stlgoldhomes.com. That's where these items are gonna go. And then, again, my notifications, anytime anything's been renewed, extended, stopped, posted, I just want to be notified of all of it. You guys can change that to your likings. So the next thing. And Jamie, I saw that you're on, right? In case I get lost in this piece again.
I'm here.
Okay, perfect. So we're gonna go back to your apps and we're gonna go to Booge. So as Mary announced, we're gonna be stepping away from the KV Core and moving to Booge, and there's gonna be a lot of training over the next couple of weeks. But one of the important things that we need you guys as agents to do is allow the staff to have access so we can start doing that automatically. So you can either, one, call a staff member, give us your login. Two, you can go into Booge yourself. Let me move this down here. Okay. I need you guys to go here. This should be your picture. Mine's an office picture. Go to settings. Go to setting pages. Systems. Impersonation. And I need you to check this that allows administrators in my office to impersonate my account. Those people are going to be Lexi, Jamie, myself, Mary, Molly, and this is what's going to allow us to start anyone that we haven't put your CRM database from KV Core in yet to do this piece, or as we start doing the website, it's going to allow us to start helping build that website because we can impersonate your account and start helping with it. And then also, I know we've had you guys in the past had to give us your logins for flyers so we could help, get those printed for you. If we're impersonating you, we can also now with Megaphone, it will allow us to go in and pull those flyers from you. And it will automatically save. There's nowhere you need to save. And that's it. So those are our big things, is your settings, your Megaphone, and checking this impersonation piece underneath Booge. I'm getting you guys set up. Does anybody have questions?
Yeah, Kristen, I do. So on the people that you used as a test earlier,
Yeah.
do I need to get into Booge and do that also, or has that already been completed?
So you already gave us your login information, correct?
You're
Yeah,
right.
and we already marked it for you when we were in there.
Okay, cool.
Anything else?
The whole
Mary,
idea,
any thoughts?
sorry, the whole idea is to make this as easy as we can for you guys. Some of it we can do for you and make it easier going out the gate. And then we can assist you along the way as well. But we just want to make sure that, going forward, the transition is as smooth as possible.
Are the packets that get prepared in Megaphone or Booge, whichever one does it, I think it's Megaphone,
Yes.
are those similar to the stuff that was created in KV Core, or are they neater, or in Marketplace? And that used to be on Mac Center.
I think
Has anybody seen them?
you're talking about the automated package you're already getting.
Well, yeah, I don't think I ever got them before, but we used to have to go into Marketplace and order, do our own thing and print, and we could print them up and we could design them there. But I just wonder if they're similar or better, or.
I think we're talking about the same thing. Previously, it was called Design Center, and Design Center moved.
Yeah, it was.
Megaphone.
You're right.
So you should be getting your automated packet, and that's what Kristen was walking through, like turning on your notifications, make sure you're getting everything that you need to be getting, because you should be receiving an automated packet of flyers now. But this also gives the ability to have additional flyers or different material created for you by the staff. Go ahead, Mona, I'm sorry.
I don't really understand how this megaphone crap is working. I'll be honest with you. Are we going to be getting some additional training on this crap?
We're gonna walk through every stage, every phase of this transition and every application within Max Center. As we move along, we're gonna go through them all.
So when are we getting megaphone? Because you guys been talking about megaphone, but
Got
nobody's
Megaphone.
teaching us megaphone.
You have Megaphone. Max
I
Center,
know we have it. We've been having it for quite some time, but nobody's been teaching us how to use it.
okay. And Kristen, what date is Megaphone on in the training?
I'm looking right now. Give me one
Thank
second. I
you,
think
Kristen. I appreciate
it's
it.
in 2 weeks. I'm doing it.
Perfect. That's what I
Uh,
want to know, because I've been asking about this for a while and I haven't been getting any answers.
So
My
I'm
name
gonna,
is Plummet. No.
I'm gonna email out today the agenda. Right now,
good.
we're gonna have a training every Tuesday from now through December 14th.
And then
But
go,
Megaphone is gonna be on November 23rd, Tuesday, November 23rd, so in 3 weeks.
and
I'm not gonna be here.
Mona, are you looking for specific things within Megaphone that we can do offside?
I don't know. I don't understand megaphone.
Okay,
I mean, every now and then I get a lead. I don't get it.
okay.
I've fumbled around. Yes, Neil.
Well, I'm wondering if it might be helpful, if there was some way we could get an overview of how this whole place works with the Remax Center, because sometimes we get into details of all these different components of it without really understanding how they all fit into the whole.
Absolutely.
And so
And that's why we started with step one today. I asked Kristen specifically, start from scratch, right? And we're gonna walk through every application that's in the Max Center and how it's applicable to you. And we'll be covering everything that's gonna be affected for you and with you. So 2 weeks is Megaphone. If you have a flyer need before that 2-week period, let Kristen or I or Jamie know, and we'll get one created for you. Now that we can impersonate you, that allows us to help you get material out there too. But she is going to cover every aspect. That agenda covers everything you're going to need to know. And we'll go beyond the first of the year because there's so much more in there in the university, the webinars in there. We'll cover every aspect.
I'm not gonna be in town. The 23rd is just before Thanksgiving.
Well, you can't go.
Move it.
We'll see what we can do, Mona. We'll get something on the agenda ahead of time for you.
And Mona, I
If
see
we
you
get
tonight.
these videos of all this stuff that you've already done, that you always hit record and that. Where is it?
Our YouTube channel.
We
I'll
have a
send that
YouTube
link out
channel.
too.
Where's that?
We do have. If you go to youtube.com, look up stlgoldhomes, our videos are in there.
Thank you.
You'll see a lot of like our vendor videos. But that was something we had talked about, was with these going forward, we're going to be saving these videos for you guys so we can go back. I know Kathy just asked that in the chat as well. Because right now you guys are just following along, and then you guys are gonna sit down to do it, and they're, are gonna need to be able to go back.
stlgoldhomes. What is it?
I believe you
I think
just
it's
search STL Gold Homes when you go to YouTube.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We actually have a few things in there.
Yes, we do. We're building that library more and more.
Appreciate y'all.
And then to Neil's question too, I know beforehand we had a cheat sheet of kind of what each app did. So maybe that could be something we could try to work on for you guys also. It just gives a summary of which each app inside Max Center does.
That information is also within the Max Center, and we'll cover that as well in the
Okay.
university side.
Perfect. Sounds good.
Oh, Jamie just put up. What was it,
Kristen?
Jamie?
Oh, there you go. Jamie put it up for us. Thank you.
Oh,
It's in the chat, the YouTube link to our videos.
I got a question, Kristen. If earlier you showed us where to put the website and email and all that stuff on through my account, correct?
Yes.
And then where is that published? Where would a prospective viewer see that? On our Booge website?
On your Booge, or hold on one second and I'll show you. So for like right now, if you go to our STL Gold Homes, and they're looking at our Meet the Gold team, so our agent roster.
Oh, okay.
So for instance, if they click on Adam, his about me, his phone number, they can click to email, visit his
Gotcha.
website. That'll all come up there. As well as now that we're building our website that we're gonna be moving over, it'll all be on there as well. And then I know inside the referral, he said, this Remax referrals, when they're looking at agents,
Gotcha.
it'll give your bio as well.
Kristen, can you pull the university up and show them where the tech? Pull that-
Yes.
You've got to set a tab called Tech News, but I'm talking about within the university.
Right
There's
here.
everything you want to know about any one of these tabs is in this section here.
So.
Yeah, I don't know what this is gonna look like for you.
Where you out to?
So,
I can't, I'm sorry. Is there any?
yeah, mine looks more like it's based off brokerage.
Go back up though, the technology, learn more, but go back down. You had it.
That's fine.
Keep going.
Remax Technology.
You're on your left.
There you
There's
go.
Booge.
So it has each icon and it gives just a little sentence of what's in each one.
But you can get layered in more.
That's good.
And then you just click on it and it takes you in more to each one. Getting started.
So we're committed to doing this weekly to get through the transition, but we're also committed after that to keep it going on a bi-weekly or monthly, whatever you guys are asking for, basis. We can do refreshers in here as we need to.
Any other questions? All right, I think that's it. So we'll see you next week.
Thank
Yes.
you, Kristen. Thanks, Mary.
You're
Thanks,
welcome.
everybody.
Hey, guys.
Be safe.
Bye,
everybody.
guys.
Looking forward to the rest of it.
Thank you.